What if I told you I just handed the enemy his own playbook back? Every secret door, every excuse, every trick I fell for years. I wrote it all down. It just dropped. It's called Are You Ready? Short book for men who are done hiding. And I want to tell you why it exists. Because it didn't start as a book. It started as a text message I never sent and a coffee I almost didn't show up for. I didn't write this book at a desk with a marketing plan. I wrote it at a coffee shop. Every man I've sat across from fighting this thing, everyone who finally said it out loud, that's where this book came from. This is for them, and it's for the next guy. I'm grateful and genuinely grateful for all the pastors out there and the leaders of men's group who have had a guy sit across from them and say, I'm struggling with pornography. That takes courage most people never see. And I know what it costs a leader to sit there in that chair and not flinch. This book is for you too, because now you've got something to hand him. Not just something a man reads alone, but something a leader, a pastor, a friend can put in someone's hand the moment he finally says the thing out loud. 12 chapters, 5 minutes each, built for the guy who doesn't have time for 300 pages because he's drowning today. I've told you before, I lived this thing I'm writing about. I had a door I built in the dark and thought only I had the key. I told myself I was managing it right up until the morning my whole world came out into the light at once. I lost my reputation. I lost relationships. I lost the version of myself I thought I was. I'm sitting here today, writing books, doing this podcast, sitting across from men every week for one reason, not because I was strong enough to fix it, because I finally stopped hiding it. That's the whole book. Honestly, stop hiding. Let one man in. Whoever conceals their sin does not prosper, but the one who confesses and renounces them finds mercy. Proverbs 28:13. That verse is the spine of this whole book. Every chapter is really just that one verse, said 12 different ways until it finally lands. Are You Ready? Just dropped, and it's available right now on Amazon, paperback and Kindle. So search my name, Michael Chestnut, or search the title, Are You Ready? By Michael Chestnut. If expose already hits you somewhere real, this is the follow-up you hand to the next guy, the one who doesn't have time for a memoir, but has 5 minutes on his lunch break. Here's one thing I want you to do this week. Buy a second copy. Give it to a man you know is struggling, or the man you suspect is, even if he hasn't said it yet. You don't have to make a speech. Just hand it to him and say, I think you need this. Then let him read it. Give him the week. And after he reads it, sit down with him, coffee, his kitchen table, wherever, and ask him the question the whole book is built around. That question asked by someone who cares enough to hand him a book first might be the thing that finally gets him out of the dark. So let's get coffee. Let me be your friend and let me walk beside you.